guys, Tony here from GME. Today I'm going to take you through an unboxing of our XRS-330 model and our XRS-370 model. So we'll start off with the 330. So, first thing you'll see when you unbox the 330 is obviously the radio. So we've got the microphone here and the hideaway bass unit. Starting with the bass unit, this is a super compact. So as you can see here, really small. This is designed as a hideaway unit, so tucked away up under the dashboard of the car, in the glove box or down beside or underneath the seat. This one here has a plastic chassis and is terminated with an FME antenna connector. The next thing that you'll find in your box is the OLED control microphone. So, OLED screen, it's a really nice bright anti-glare display. You've got a 2-watt speaker in the front of the microphone, so nice loud audio and really high quality curly cord. Moving further down into the box here, you've got your power cable, really simple red and black connector. You can have this permanently powered or switched on your ignition depending on which option that you'd like to go with. So moving on, you also get your installation kit, mounting screws for the radio and for the bracket itself, and also gimbal knobs to attach the radio into the mounting bracket. So the 330 comes with a plastic mounting bracket, really simple. You can use that if you want to mount the radio to a flat surface, but of course if it's tucked away in a glove box or something, you may not need to use that, it's up to you. We also include a microphone extension. So as I said, this is a hideaway unit, so if your radio needs to be a little bit further away from the microphone, you can use this extension to connect the radio up. So it's really simple. The connection goes into the base unit of the radio and then into your microphone adapter. So there's two parts to this. This small grey box goes inside the larger black one. The extension connects on one end and you connect your microphone into the other. So a really handy little accessory for remote mounting. You've got an FME to PL259 antenna adapter. So as I said, the 330 has the smaller FME connection. If your antenna is not an FME terminated antenna, you can use this adapter to connect to some older style PL259 antennas. And then lastly, you've got your microphone clip. So the 330 has a standard microphone clip. It's in two pieces here. The screws in the mounting kit obviously to attach this one. Really simple. The microphone just drops into the clip. And that's it. So the last thing that you'll get in the box with a 330 is a quick start guide. So really simple. This covers the main features of the microphone. It's got a little bit of information in there around how you install the brackets and all that sort of stuff. If you do want a detailed instruction manual, we don't supply the instruction manuals in the box, but on gme.net.au on our website, we've got downloadable instruction manuals for all of our models. So before you call tech support, have a look on the website and you can download those full instruction manuals. They're up to date. Every time we do a firmware update, we make sure we've got the latest manual available, so make sure you check those out. Alright, so that's the 330. Now we'll move on to the 370. So the 370, slightly larger carton here. And when we open it up, again, microphone and the main radio box. This one is a little larger. So the 370 has a die-cast metal chassis, a little bit more robust than the 330, however it is larger. The other main difference is the 370 has a second speaker built into the box. So if you're in a particularly loud environment, if you've got a really loud four-wheel drive or in some sort of agricultural machinery and you need that extra volume output, then this is the one to go for. So now moving on to the microphone itself. The microphone in the 370 is the same as the 330. It has all the same functionality, same bright OLED screen, 2-watt speaker mic. However, there is one key difference. The 370 has this domed bollard on the back of it. It is a magnetic microphone, so slightly different to the 330. We also include the magnetic microphone bollard in this box. So again, it looks a little different to the hang-up style. This one here clips on the back. It's a really solid connection. We've tested these things really hard and they don't come off. If you wanted to upgrade your 330 to a magnetic microphone clip, we do sell these separately as a spare part, and you can upgrade your 330. They're around $29. The other part that comes with the magnetic mount is this. So that's a small bit of 3M VHB adhesive, which you can stick on the back of the bollard there. This is great if you've got a brand new vehicle and you're not particularly keen to screw anything into it. You can stick your microphone mount on with the 3M VHB, and if you ever want to remove it or move it to a different location within the vehicle, you can do that without damaging it. So continuing on, we've got the same 12 volt DC cable that comes with the 330, really basic. These things are super easy to install, even for the DIY person at home. Microphone extension cable, your extension adapter, the same two pieces as the 330, and then your radio mounting bracket. So again, this one is made of metal to match the 370 casing. If you do have an older GME radio like a TX3500, it's the same mounting bracket. So if you were looking to upgrade your radio to an XRS, it's as simple as sliding the old radio out and putting the XRS into the existing bracket. So again, less holes that you've got to drill in the car. Got your mounting kit, again, a couple of screws and bolts for your various brackets. And lastly, the quick start guide. So just the same as the 330, the quick start guide's got your basic information to get you going, with a full manual available for download on our website. So that's all for today. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.